itago yung building eh. Then when I got there, ang unang bumungad sa akin is si Fabio. So, tinanong niya ilang taon ako. Sabi ko, 19. Okay, kaya mo bang mag-train? Kaya mo bang ito? Oo, kaya ko. He made me do a lot of shit. And this is...
I bet, knowing Fabio.
Yes, this is actually a funny story kasi dami niyang pinagawa sa akin and he's just sitting there like watching me suffer. I mean, that's Fabio for you, no? Then nung medyo natapos yung first part ng training, I asked him, okay lang saan po yung CR dito? Went to CR, nag-CR ako, sumuka ako doon. First training ko, sumuka ako ng malala. And I forgot to flush. Sobrang hilo, sobrang nanghihina ako. Paglabas ko, ang sumunod sa akin mag-CR, si Fabio. Pagpasok si Fabio sa akin, bakit may suka dito? But you know, I finished the training and all. Tapos he talked to me. Like sabi niya, don't come back next week. This is not for you. This is not the life na I want you to follow. Kasi you're 16. You have your life ahead of you. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa buhay. Huwag ka na mag-pro wrestling.